NASDAQ on the market this week has felt in value. We can see that the price has lost its value when the price has gone below 19,500. We can see that the price in the previous week has touched this area. It has bounced on a Friday with this bullish candle, and we can see on a Monday this week the price formed this bearish candle where the price stopped just at the support level here at 19,500. Then the price has tried to make a reverse back up, where the price also tried to make a bearish breakout with this candle. We can see that wick here, but it was not successful. The bulls was much stronger to push the price above and hold the price above this price level. Then on Wednesday we can see a strong bearish candle where the price has formed and formed a bearish breakout, where the next day the price continued to fall down and reaching the small support level here. We can see that around 19,087. Then on a Friday the price continued to rise in value and it has returned above 19,500, which is a bullish breakout above this one. So the bulls are trying to return back up. The week has closed as a bearish candle with a larger wick on the lower side and a small on the upper side. Now we can see that the price has stopped here, and it means indecision on the market, where we have this uptrend channel currently acting as a resistance line. This month has over, and we can see that this month has closed like this bullish pin bar with a strong large wick on the lower side, small body and a small wick on the upper side. Now we can see what is very important, and that is the price did not close below this one price level, which means below 19,400, around that price level. It's very important, which means the price is holding its strength. Bulls are holding the price level, not allowing the price from moving down. Where the price could go in the next month is very important, which means this looks also again bullish, because we can see that the price did not return back down all the way and closed the month below this one, which is a great signal for the bulls, but also very important level 19,788. It was not broken with this bullish candle body, which means indecision on the market between the buyers and the sellers. So for much more important information, we can see that these price levels, 20,000 and here it is 18,000, very important levels. But much more clear information we will have on the daily time frame, because we can see much more clear levels in between the price levels. The daily time frame shows us that very important, it is now 19,500 where the price is currently holding, and it will be a very important for the price to make a bullish breakout above this trend line, and also 20,000 as a monthly resistance line. This will indicate further rise in value, well, like in this example, but before that happens we can see that the price needs to clear this area around 90,000, because the price is struggling for this week and the previous week around this price level. It's very hard to make a bullish breakout and stay above around this confluence of resistance. We can see that here. But if the price continues to fall down, we can see where the price is next. This is the area for the price to make a bearish breakout to continue to fall down even more. Will the price manage to make a breakout? This will be visible on the daily time frames. But for now, I cannot make a clear statement where the price is heading, what is expected, where the price could go, because of this indecision range area. For all details, I will share that on the Telegram, where I share the daily analysis. It's completely free, so you can also join to check what are the daily updates around these price levels on a lower time frame, so where the price could go during the week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.